Welcome to Placement Prodigy, a complete placement solution. So here the very important question and very easy one, how to check if a number is positive or negative. It is a very basic question actually, so you can check it out how we can solve it. Here first I have written some flow chart, so let us understand it first. So int num equal to 11. So this is a integer number we are considering, and we have to check where two conditions. The first thing is if it is positive, and second if it is negative. And one more condition we have to check if it is equal to 0. So what we can do, consider the number as n. If n is actually greater than 0, then it will be positive. If n is less than 0, then it will be negative. And n equal to 0, then number is 0. Okay. Next, there are some steps. The first step will be starting the algorithm, then inserting the number. If the number is greater than 0, then print the number is positive. If number is smaller than 0, then print the number is negative. Else print the number is 0 and stop. So there are actually 6 steps we can implement in this code. There are 2 methods to do this. Actually, there is one more method using nested loops, but we are gonna discuss only 2 methods. So let us start with it. So basic code you know. First, here we are considering int num equal to 5. Then if num greater than 0, system.out.println, the number is positive. So it will print a positive number if number is greater than 0. Else if number is less than 0, the system will print number is negative. And after that, else if the number is equal to 0, it will print 0. So very easy code. We can solve this code actually using one more method, that is using ternary operator. And syntax for ternary operator, I'll write it down, wait for a minute. So syntax for ternary operator is like this. First, a condition will be mentioned. Then question mark. If condition is true, then perform any action that will be provided. And similarly, if false, then perform another action. So this is the syntax. We can implement it here. Like here we have considered int num equal to 0 and check if num equal to 0, system.out.println 0. Else we have, this is the ternary operator syntax. Here string result equal to num greater than 0 question mark. So this is the condition. If number is greater than 0, then if this is true, the number is positive, and if it is false, the number is negative. Or else this if condition will work first only. Like if number is equal to 0, it will print 0. So quite an easy problem.